Welcome to How to Leverage LlamaIndex for Efficient Document QnA. Today, you'll learn how to integrate LlamaIndex into your document systems, optimizing data retrieval for faster, more efficient queries. Have you ever wondered how some businesses retrieve specific information from vast amounts of data almost instantly? Welcome to our video on how to leverage LlamaIndex for efficient document QnA. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to integrate LlamaIndex into your document systems to optimize data retrieval for faster, more efficient queries. Stay tuned as we explore the fundamentals, setup, integration, and optimization techniques for LlamaIndex. Don't forget to comment and share your thoughts about potential future topics.
LlamaIndex is a powerful tool designed to enhance document question and answer systems by providing efficient data retrieval capabilities. At its core, LlamaIndex is an indexing system that organizes data in a way that allows for rapid access and query processing. By leveraging advanced algorithms, LlamaIndex can handle complex queries and large datasets, making it a popular choice in industries ranging from finance to healthcare. Key components include a robust indexing engine, a query processor, and an interface for integration with existing systems. Compared to traditional database systems, LlamaIndex offers faster query responses and improved scalability. Whether you're dealing with customer support systems or legal document analysis, LlamaIndex streamlines the process of finding relevant information quickly and accurately.
Setting up your environment for LlamaIndex is the first step toward unlocking its powerful capabilities. Before you begin, ensure that your system meets the necessary requirements, including sufficient memory and storage. The installation process is straightforward. Download the LlamaIndex package from the official website and follow the step-by-step instructions. During configuration, you'll need to specify your data sources and define indexing parameters. Pay attention to potential pitfalls such as incompatible software versions or firewall restrictions that could hinder installation. For a smooth setup, consult the LlamaIndex documentation and consider reaching out to community forums for support. By taking these steps, you'll be well prepared to start leveraging LlamaIndex in your document QnA systems.
Integrating LlamaIndex with your existing systems can be a straightforward process if approached correctly. One of the main challenges is ensuring compatibility with your current platforms, whether they're based on legacy systems or modern architectures. Start by mapping out your existing data flow and identify where LlamaIndex can be most beneficial. Use the LlamaIndex API to connect your systems, ensuring you handle data securely during the transfer. Regularly update your systems to maintain compatibility with LlamaIndex updates, and conduct thorough testing to ensure the integration is successful. Testing should include checking for data accuracy, response times, and overall system performance. By carefully planning and executing your integration strategy, you can maximize the benefits of LlamaIndex in your document QnA processes. Optimizing document indexing is crucial for ensuring that your queries are processed quickly and accurately. Efficient indexing involves organizing data in a way that minimizes retrieval time while maintaining accuracy. Begin by analyzing your data to understand the most common query patterns, and adjust your indexing strategy accordingly. Techniques such as using advanced data structures and optimizing query paths can significantly enhance performance. Balance is key. Improving speed should not come at the expense of data accuracy. Monitor your system's performance regularly and make adjustments as necessary. Implement continuous improvement strategies, such as feedback loops and regular updates, to keep your indexing process efficient. By focusing on these optimization techniques, you'll be able to handle more queries in less time, increasing the overall effectiveness of your document QnA system.
Handling large datasets is a common challenge for many organizations, but with LlamaIndex, you can efficiently manage this complexity. Large datasets can slow down query response times and increase the risk of data errors. To manage these challenges, utilize LlamaIndex's scalability features, which allow you to distribute data across multiple servers and improve processing efficiency. Implement strategies such as data partitioning and parallel processing to enhance system performance. Ensure data integrity through regular checks and validations, and keep your system updated to benefit from the latest improvements in LlamaIndex. Regular maintenance, including data cleanup and reindexing, can also help maintain optimal performance. By leveraging these strategies, you'll be able to effectively manage large datasets, ensuring fast and accurate data retrieval.
LlamaIndex has a wide range of applications across various industries, each benefiting from its powerful data retrieval capabilities. In the finance industry, LlamaIndex is used to analyze large volumes of transactional data, providing insights for risk management and fraud detection. Healthcare organizations leverage LlamaIndex to manage patient records and research data, ensuring quick access to critical information. Legal firms use LlamaIndex for document analysis, enabling lawyers to find relevant case information efficiently. In customer support, LlamaIndex enhances response times by quickly retrieving customer history and support articles. Retailers benefit from LlamaIndex by optimizing their inventory and sales data, allowing for better demand forecasting. These diverse applications highlight the versatility and effectiveness of LlamaIndex in improving data-driven decision-making across industries. While LlamaIndex is designed to be reliable, users may encounter common issues that require troubleshooting. Identifying these problems early can prevent disruptions in your document QnA system. Common issues include indexing errors, which can be resolved by checking data formats and ensuring compatibility with LlamaIndex requirements. Integration issues might arise if there are mismatches with existing systems. These can often be fixed by reviewing API configurations and ensuring software compatibility. If you notice slow query performance, consider optimizing your indexing strategies and checking server capacities. LlamaIndex offers extensive support resources, including documentation, user forums, and customer service, to help resolve these issues. By being proactive and utilizing available resources, you can maintain a smooth and efficient LlamaIndex implementation.
The future of LlamaIndex and AI is promising, as trends in artificial intelligence continue to shape data retrieval technologies. As AI advances, LlamaIndex is expected to integrate more seamlessly with machine learning algorithms, enhancing its ability to process natural language queries and provide more accurate results. Future developments may include improved automation features and expanded support for diverse data types. The integration of LlamaIndex with emerging technologies such as blockchain and IoT could further expand its capabilities. This evolution will have a significant impact on data science, providing new tools and methods for data analysis and management. Community and industry support will play a crucial role in driving these advancements, fostering innovation and collaboration. By staying informed and adapting to these trends, users can leverage LlamaIndex to its fullest potential in the ever-evolving landscape of AI. In conclusion, LlamaIndex offers a robust solution for enhancing document QnA systems with efficient data retrieval. We've covered the basics of LlamaIndex, how to set up and integrate it, optimize indexing, manage large datasets, and explored its applications across industries. As you implement LlamaIndex, you'll notice improvements in speed and accuracy, empowering your organization to make data-driven decisions more effectively. We invite you to share your experiences and insights in the comments section. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into advanced LlamaIndex features. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others who might benefit from learning about LlamaIndex. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable content.